Experiencing crashes or loading issues with the My Verizon app? You're not alone. The app, used for managing accounts and services, sometimes faces these problems due to software bugs, network connectivity, or device compatibility. Here's how to troubleshoot. First, update the app. Ensure you have the latest version from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Verizon releases updates like version 8.4.1 in early 2025 to fix bugs and improve compatibility. Second, clear cache and data. Go to your device's settings, find the My Verizon app, and clear its cache and data. This removes temporary files that might be causing issues. Be aware that clearing data may require you to log back into the app. Third, check network connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data or reset your network settings. Weak cellular signals, especially in rural areas, can cause slow loading. Fourth, restart your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Fifth, ensure sufficient device storage. Make sure you have at least 500 megabytes of free storage, as this is critical to running the app and all of its components. Sixth, check permissions. Grant location and storage permissions to the app. Denying permissions may cause the app to fail. If these steps don't work, consider reinstalling the app. The My Verizon app's issues often stem from the complexities of maintaining compatibility across different devices and operating systems. App architecture, network infrastructure, and security measures all play a role. The app's architecture depends on secure API connections to Verizon's servers for data retrieval. Crashes often happen due to memory leaks or incompatible libraries that cause the app to become unstable. Server-side problems, as experienced during the July 2025 outage, can lead to widespread loading failures across the app. Verizon has responded by implementing stricter monitoring protocols to prevent future occurrences. Looking ahead, Verizon is shifting toward hybrid app experiences by integrating more web-based features. This approach improves reliability and reduces the app's dependence on native performance issues. AI-driven diagnostics are now part of the app, providing automated troubleshooting scans that can quickly identify problems such as cache overloads or network conflicts. With 5G advanced and AI enhancements, future app versions will further reduce crash rates by incorporating AI and augmented reality features for billing breakdowns and predictive maintenance. Verizon targets 95% uptime by 2027. While challenges remain, Verizon is actively working to improve the app's stability and reliability. Remember to enable two-factor authentication to protect your account during these fixes.